Nature is both mesmerizing and terrifying. These creatures have evolved to dominate their habitats through lethal adaptations. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of the world's most dangerous animals, ones that could inspire awe and fear in equal measure. The box jellyfish found in the Indo-Pacific, its tentacles carry toxins that can cause cardiac arrest and death within minutes. It's nearly invisible in water, making it an even greater threat. The cone snail, with a harpoon-like tooth, this mollusk injects venom capable of paralyzing its prey. There is no antidote for its sting, which can kill within hours. The poison dart frog can produce enough batrachotoxin to kill 10 humans. Interestingly, their toxicity comes from their insect diet. The stonefish, camouflaged on ocean floors, this fish's venomous spines can cause excruciating pain and even death if stepped on. The blue-ringed octopus, though small, its venom contains tetrodotoxin, which causes paralysis and can kill in minutes. A single bite can affect 26 adults. The great white shark, with over 300 serrated teeth. This apex predator is responsible for the most shark-related fatalities worldwide. The saltwater crocodile, found in Asia and Australia, it's the largest living reptile. Its ambush tactics and bite force make it extremely deadly. The African lion, known for its pride-based hunting techniques, can take down prey much larger than itself through teamwork. The tiger, stealth, and brute force define this big cat, capable of delivering fatal strikes with its powerful jaws and claws. The Komodo dragon delivers venomous bites that prevent blood clotting, ensuring their prey succumbs to shock or blood loss. The cassowary, this flightless bird native to Australia, has dagger-like claws that can disembowel attackers in seconds. The mosquito is responsible for millions of deaths annually by transmitting malaria, dengue, and Zika. The golden eagle's sharp talons and ability to dive at 150 mph make it a formidable predator of both land and air prey. Africanized bees, known as killer bees, attack in swarms, stinging repeatedly and relentlessly. The hippopotamus, despite their herbivorous diet, are highly territorial and responsible for more human deaths in Africa than lions. The African buffalo, known for their unpredictable behavior, often charge without warning, making them one of Africa's Big Five. The polar bear is the apex predator of the Arctic, relying on strength and stealth to hunt seals and survive harsh conditions. The elephant, typically peaceful, becomes extremely dangerous when threatened, using its size and strength to trample adversaries. The black mamba can deliver multiple bites in seconds, each packed with enough neurotoxin to kill 10 humans. The king cobra, the longest venomous snake, is capable of delivering fatal bites to elephants. The Sydney funnel web spider, native to Australia, has venom that can kill in just 15 minutes if untreated. The brown recluse spider's venom causes necrosis, leading to severe tissue damage. The leopard is known for its stealth and ability to drag prey up trees to avoid scavengers. The jaguar, with the strongest bite of any cat, can crush skulls and pierce turtle shells effortlessly. The anaconda suffocates its prey with powerful coils before swallowing them whole. The piranha, with razor-sharp teeth, attacks in schools, stripping prey to the bone within minutes. These animals remind us of the raw power of nature. While they inspire awe, they also demand respect. Remember to like, subscribe, and share to explore more of the wonders and dangers of our natural world.